Okay, we're looking for signal here. We got it. Looking to go long. Hoping this comes back and grabs my limit order. That's my price for getting in the market here. Looking at taking a long trade on this. See if it comes back. Hopefully it grabs me. If not, there's always another trade. Okay, so it came back and grabbed us. It's Friday, October 29th, about 3 minutes after 10 in the morning, and we are looking for a quick move to the upside. Now, I have my reasons for that, and looks like we're moving on our first target, hopefully next minute or two. Now we got our gap from Friday up at 1182, or sorry, from Thursday, it's close, and I'd like to see that close this afternoon, or this morning I should say. If we get it on this trade, great. If not, whatever. There's always another trade. Okay, so we have a little bit of resistance here at the 78.25 area. Mostly it'll be a little bit of a resistance from our trend line down. If we throw that in there like that, that's kind of what's making it stall in this area. If we pop through here, then we'll be looking to get up to about 79.50 area, and then from there looking to close the gap. Hopefully this morning, sometime in the next half hour to an hour. I don't like my trades taking too long, so we don't want to work too hard as money makers. So still fighting with our resistive trend line there. Might have to come back down and push again. We'll see what we get. Playing with our stop. Give it another minute or two to develop. If it doesn't take our target in the next couple minutes, we're going to move our stop in, take ourselves out before it has a chance to move against us, as opposed to letting it take us out with a full stop. I'm actually going to tighten my stop up a little bit right now, down to 3 ticks of risk. Moving on the first target. We got it into a break-even position, and now the rest goes in the bank. Locked in $100 on our first target, which is 2 contracts. We're trading a total of 5 contracts on the S&P E-mini futures. Second target is 2 contracts at 8 ticks, or 2 points, whichever you prefer, which will be an additional $200. So first target was $100, second target will be $200 if we get there. If not, we locked in $100. May not seem like that much money, but when you do it in 5 minutes or less, I say it's pretty good. Looks like we're moving on our second target already. 79.50, price is at 79.25. Oh, there it is. Now we've locked in $300 in about 6 minutes. So now we're going to give this some room to develop. So we're looking at 82 as our target. Our entry price was 77.50. That's 4.5 points. If we get that target, that one will be worth $250 on that contract, which would lock us in a $550 trade. hopefully we get there and close the gap. We might see a little bit of resistance in here around the 1180.50 area. Maybe not. Seems to be moving. We're going to take our stop right now and lock in some profit. A couple ticks just in case the price decides to come back on us. That way we put more money in the bank. We are seeing a little bit of resistance around the 1181 area. Hopefully it goes. We only got 1 point left to go to close our target. There it is, it's moving. 3 more ticks. And if it looks like it's going to slow down, I'm just going to move my target in and take it. Also going to move my stop up. Take 1 point on a positive stop in case it decides to turn. But this is looking like it is going to close the gap. We have the volume from our buyers coming in. Looks like we're going to get there. 1 more tick to go. Oh, so close. Give it another minute or two. And we just might see our 3rd target. Come on. Here we go. Time for the push. Target's 1182. Now we have to go through 1182 in order to guarantee that target. We can touch it, but it's not guaranteed until we actually move through that price. So we're going to have to see 82.25 in order to guarantee that. And there it is. We just did it. 3rd target in. That's $525 in just over 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes, 9 minutes. www.tradingonlinemadeeasy.com